Okay, let's take a look at problem number 9 in exercise 13.2. A city sells plots in its cemetery for $1,000 plus an amount calculated to provide for the cost of maintaining the grounds in perpetuity. This cost is figured at $25 per plot, so the payment of $25 due at the end of each quarter, so quarterly payments. If the city can invest the funds to earn 4.8%, that's the interest rate, compounded annually, so the payments are quarterly, but the compounding is annually, in perpetuity, what is the price of the plot? So for this one, it's quarterly payments, compounding is annually. So therefore, it's an ordinary general perpetuity. So we have to go a step further than you had to go in the other questions. The payment is $25. I, which is the interest rate, is 4.8%. But because our payment and our compounding are different periods, we have to do the extra step. So C equals the number of compoundings over the number of payments. So compounding was annual, so there was 1. Payments were quarterly, so it's 4. So C is equal to 0.25. Then we use this information to calculate I2, which is 1 plus I, and I was the 4.8%. C, which we calculated here at 0.25, minus 1. So 1.048, which is the 1 plus 4.8%, to the power of C, which is 0.25, minus 1, and we get this number. So it's the same as the questions, I guess, from before, where present value is payment over I, except here it's payment over I2 because it's an ordinary general perpetuity. So the payment of $25 over I2, which we calculated just a second ago, that would be the present value of those $25 payments in perpetuity. So the price of the plot is $1,000 plus this value of the payments. So $1,000 plus 21,2047 for 31,2047.